Hey, this is Ramey here at the UMI Performance Race Shop with another product spotlight. This is a pretty cool product here, part number 2411 weight jack system. It's actually a combo system that incorporates the weight jack right in the mount on the 2401 or other third gen K members. Fits 82 to 92 Camaro and Firebird. So the 2411 weight jack here is integrated. So it fits right on the K member like this, bolts in. And then when you put it here on the spring, you can reach up through the A-arm, adjust the ride height, get your car sitting how you want it. You have your choice of 850 or 1050 spring. For street, 850, and for road race and autocross, we use the 1050. Nice clean bolt-in installation for your third gen Camaro and Firebird.